Hey folks, this is Patrick from Skycatch. We're going to go over how you can use our volume measurement tool to measure stockpile volumes. Click on the New button in the top left, and your cursor will become a crosshair. Now you can just start clicking and outlining the area you want to measure. We'll click the polygon to bring out the pop-up and change the color. In this case, we'll make it yellow. Now let's give it a name. We'll call this one Stockpile C, June. Click Submit on the bottom left. Now we get a notification that it's processing. When it's done, we'll get another notification at the top of the screen that it's done and it's ready. Now you can see in the pop-up, we've calculated the height, the fill, the cut, and the total. We calculate the cut and fill based on the volumes above and below the ground surface. That's it for stockpile measurements. Thanks for watching, and please check out our other videos at skycatch.com/learn or follow our YouTube page to get notified when we release new videos. Thanks for watching.